Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to delete your Fiverr account. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Fiverr website right here at fiverr.com if you haven't already, and after doing so you want to go ahead and log into your account that you want to use for Fiverr and that you want to delete. So here in the upper right corner, go ahead and sign in and log into the account you want to delete, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the sections you can access. Here you can see all the gigs you can open and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to delete our account. It's very simple and we only need a couple of steps. So what we want to do first is click on the profile icon in the upper right corner. That's going to open up this new drop down menu with all the options we can access, and you want to go ahead and open up settings. So click on the settings option right here, and this is now going to go ahead and open up our settings, where as you can see in our account settings at the left side of the screen, make sure you're in account and then scroll down. After scrolling down you can find the account deactivation option. So as you can see, what happens when you deactivate your account, it shows you right here, and you can go ahead and select the reason you're leaving. So you can go ahead and select if you maybe want to unsubscribe from the emails, if you can't find what you want or something else, doesn't matter. As you can do that, just go ahead and click on deactivate account, and after confirming that you want to deactivate it, you will now be able to successfully delete it and your Fiverr account will no longer exist. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.